Hello everyone, my name is eannor, and I'm here to give a presentation on my Foundations of Software Engineering pre-course assignment. The purpose of this project is to build a chat room web-based application. So the development stack used for this project includes at the client side is the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and also at the server side is the Node.js with Express.js, and also there's a WebSocket. I decided to use WebSockets because it provides a two-way interactive communication session between a client and server, which is better than polling. Also, the database running is the MySQL database running on an Ubuntu virtual Linux machine. Some of the technologies used include the Ajax jQuery for asynchronous calls to the server, the Suite alerts to display some alerts, Moment.js to get the current time, bcrypt to provide encryption, encrypting the password details to provide security, and also the SQLized to make it easy to make database calls to the MySQL database. So in order to use the system, since the purpose is a chat room app, you just have to be able to sign up, log in, and interact with each other. So let's say sign up. Let's sign up as Kathy. So first, there's some form of validation. So if you don't have anything you're trying to sign up, it gives you, please enter all your required fields. So let's say Kathy, a password greater than 6, and then you sign up. So after you sign up, you can log in. So let's log in as Kathy, password. And then when you log in, it tells you welcome Kathy, and it gives you the date and time you. So let's register as another user. And let's log in. So you choose your room, FSE chat room, and it comes to welcome Okobi. So when we check Kathy, so Okobi joined the room. So if Kathy sends a message, hello, so it shows her name, the timestamp, and if we check Okobi's dashboard too, it has Kathy's message, like, hello, Kathy, and then Okobi send the message at this time, and then the date. So, and then Kathy can also see it. Hello, Kathy from Okobi. So from the code structure, the way I designed it was to design it in terms of there's a client and a server. So at the client side, there's the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, just some basic codes to explain. This is the chat page. And then this is the JavaScript for the chat page. So if a user joins, this is what will emit the details to the server. Sorry. If this is the chat page form, so there's an event listener which is listening for submissions. So if a submission happens, it goes to the server, the chat page form. So if you go to the clients, if you go to the server too, the way the server is designed, it follows the MVC approach in a way. So there's a config which has the environment variables, and also it has the connection to the MySQL database through the SQLized ORM. SQLized ORM makes it easy. It abstracts you from writing a lot of query strings. And what this does is in case anything changes in the database, the structure changes, it's easier to make the changes here. So the model has the model for the database, there's the username, password, and everything. The resources has a JSON file which writes the username, the text that the user is typing back to the client so you can display it. This is JSON is better because it's lightweight, and these are the routes in case a user wants to log in or sign up. These are the validations if they are not equal, if the password is not equal to the verified password, and this is the bcrypt, which generates a salt and then hashes the password into the database. Also, there's other routes. There's a HTTP, which emits the messages from the clients back to the user. So if a user joins the room, you can tell if a user sends a message, it comes to the chat 4 messages, and it creates, so it finds a specific user. There's a one-to-many relationship, so every user can have multiple messages, and so it finds it and then it creates a message for the user. So in case a user leaves gracefully, sorry, I'm having problems with my virtual machine. So user left the room. You can tell that user just left the room. If you check the database, let me just refresh the database. So you can see the users, you can see the user messages, which is hello Kathy from Kathy and Okobi. If Kathy logs in again, Kathy logs in again, the messages are still there, and welcome Kathy. So everything is being persisted. Thank you.